First at 6, the first day of the federal trial challenging Oklahoma's execution protocol wrapped up less than an hour ago. Thanks for joining us. I'm Craig Day.
And I'm Lori Fulbright. Some of Oklahoma's death row prisoners are arguing the 3 drugs that the state uses are unconstitutional. News on 6's Reagan Ledbetter has been in court today and has the latest from Oklahoma City. Reagan?
Craig and Laura, the testimony today was all about science as 3 doctors testified. Now, this federal lawsuit was filed on behalf of 26 of the 38 Oklahoma death row prisoners. They claim the state of Oklahoma's current 3-drug protocol for lethal injections causes unconstitutional pain and suffering. Now, a pharmacologist from Oklahoma State University in Tulsa testified for 4.5 hours today and called the current lethal injection protocol torturous for prisoners. He says the first drug, midazolam, which is used for sedation, isn't strong enough for prisoners to not feel any pain. He testified midazolam can increase cold, heat, and electrical pain perception. He says the second drug used paralyzes the prisoner. So if they do feel pain from the third drug, which is potassium chloride, they wouldn't be able to react and alert anyone they felt pain because they're paralyzed. He says potassium chloride causes the heart to stop, and he testified it causes extreme pain. The pharmacologist also offered 2 alternative lethal injection drug protocols. One of them is adding an opioid like fentanyl to eliminate any pain, but prosecutors quickly picked apart those suggestions by bringing up previous reports the pharmacologist had done where he contradicts himself. Now, an anatomical pathologist from Florida also testified. He says he has reviewed dozens of autopsy reports of executed prisoners where the same 3 drugs were used as Oklahoma, and he saw excess fluids in the lungs from those drugs. He says all of the prisoners had pulmonary edema during the execution, which can cause the feeling of drowning, shortness of breath, pain in the chest, or other symptoms. Now, he'll finish up his testimony tomorrow morning. We're told this trial should last about a week, and it should wrap up on Friday. Live in Oklahoma City, Reagan Ledbetter, Oklahoma's own News on 6.